Bajrang Dal activists will hold a nationwide protest this week against the recent incidents of violence in parts of the country over remarks against Prophet Mohammad, the Vishva Hindu Parishad announced on Tuesday. The RSS affiliate said its youth wing activists will hold a sit-in in district administration headquarters across the country on Thursday against the growing extremist incidents by Islamic jihadi fundamentalists and also submit a memorandum to President Ramnath Kovind. Protests erupted in several parts of the country on June 10th against the controversial remarks on Prophet Mohammad by now-sacked BJP functionaries Nupur Sharma and Naveen Jindal. The Saffron Outfits Secretary General Milind Parande demanded those who instigated the mob should be arrested immediately and strict action should be taken against them. He added, security of those being threatened be ensured, those threatening be arrested and criminal cases be filed against them.